Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if Microsoft Edge appear to be opening up by itself on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Search here apps and features. We need to go to installed apps guys. In here you need to search for Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge, three dot icon, click on it and click modify. Click yes. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and setting won't it be affected. Click on repair. Hopefully should have relaunched the Microsoft Edge web browser. It's processing guys. Backside running guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.